After watching this video you will be able to understand about hair mask for growing hair at home. Just as your skin needs care and nourishment, your tresses too require your loving attention. A basic hair care routine can go a long way in ensuring healthy hair. There are various causes for hair loss, ranging from medication, hormonal imbalance, the kind of diet you consume, work stress and more. As a habit, we all look for an instant chemical remedy for hair loss for quick results despite being aware of its many harmful consequences. Experts caution against an overdependence on chemical products though, when it comes to chalking out a robust hair care plan. Instead, look for natural remedies. In fact, you can find some of the hair solutions in your own home. Before having more information about hair mask for growing hair at home, subscribe to my channel for more latest videos. There are several ingredients, which are easily available in your kitchen, that can fight hair fall, dandruff and scalp infections. Here is one of our favorite home remedy hair mask for hair growth. You will need 1 ripe medium-sized avocado, 2 tablespoons coconut oil. Avocado. Avocado is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and essential amino acids. These can coat your hair shaft and help it retain moisture and texture. The natural oils in the fruit, yes, avocado is a fruit, provide your hair with long-lasting and deep hydration. It contains vitamins A, B2, D, and E, beta-carotene, and minerals like copper and iron. These nutrients help nourish your hair and scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Avocado contains vitamin E that has antioxidant properties, which can help prevent hair damage from free radicals. This can keep your hair healthy for longer. It helps repair damage by conditioning and providing your hair with the essential nutrients it needs to be healthy. The fruit is rich in biotin, which is shown to help stimulate new hair growth. Coconut oil. Coconut oil has excellent penetrative properties, giving it the ability to seep deep within the hair shaft, repairing it from the inside. This decreases the porosity of your hair and reduces protein loss, calming frizz and damage. It also contains essential fatty acids that can reduce the effect of damage on hair. It works with the avocado to form a protective layer around the hair shaft, minimizing moisture loss and damage. Process. Mash the avocado in a bowl until it is free of lumps. Add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to the mashed avocado and mix well. Apply this mixture to your hair and scalp. Once your hair is fully covered in the mixture, cover it with a shower cap, and wait for 15 minutes. Wash your hair with cool water. Try this mask at least twice a month and you will see the incredible changes in your hair. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share.